Okay, we're back. Pasadena City College, AGZA Green Zone ceremony. We're here with Ray with STIHL, and STIHL has just been an anchor for AGZA Green Zone certifications for over 10 years. Ray, we really appreciate you coming out and supporting today's ceremony for the college. And we just want to know, from your perspective, being involved in the ceremony, seeing all the dignitaries speak, Vice Chair from South Coast Air Quality Management District, what does this look like overall for the industry and local area, and you see this expanding?
Yeah, I mean, it just kind of makes us realize that, it's possible to make these happen. And, doing it little by little with the outreach and getting the word out there, showing these machines, putting them in people's hands, thing that can happen. And it is happening. So it's just great to be here and take all this energy, get out into the field and into people's hands so that they can feel power.
You know what? I really love this. Building that momentum, taking this springboarding, continuing that momentum. And I see, hey, you're going to have a lot of energy because look at this. Ray was able to nab one of the Green Zone cookies with the STIHL logo on it. See a little bite there. That's one of the sugar ones. So after you eat that, believe me, you're going to have a lot of energy. Ray, we really appreciate you coming out and supporting today.
Thanks, Ed.